Dear student, today start reaction with nitrous acid. You know nitrous acid here HNO2. Look here, this reaction used for a distinguish between primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Look here, everybody explain the distinction between a primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine by using the chemical reaction. Means reaction with the nitrous acids. Actually, a nitrous acid is an unstable compound. Okay, unstable compound. The nitrous acid prepared in situ, situ, situ. Correct? Yes. Look here, Look here, how will you prepare nitrous acid? Sodium nitrate, NaNO2 reaction with dilute HCl. Reaction with dilute HCl. Okay? Yes. Look here, everybody here. You know here HNO2, nitrous acid and the plus. Okay? NaCl. Look here, name of the compound here, nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is a unstable compound. Nitrous acid is a unstable compound. Look here, reaction with the nitrous acid. Okay, first a reaction with the aliphatic primary amine. Reaction with a aliphatic primary amine, and second a aromatic amine. Aromatic primary amine. Clear? Yes. Look here, 1 minute. Look here, the first heading here, aliphatic primary amine. Aliphatic primary amine. Aliphatic primary amine. Correct? Yes. Primary amine. Look here, aliphatic primary amine are NH2. When primary amine is reacted with nitrous acid, here HNO2, correct, nitrous acid, correct, nitrous acid. You know temperature, a 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin, means a ice cold condition. Here NaNO2 plus, okay, dilute HCl. Look here, it gives, okay, this is the Ar, next N2 plus and X minus. Name of the compound, a aliphatic diazonium salt. Name of the compound, a aliphatic diazonium salt or alkyl. Everybody here, HCl means Cl minus here. Alkyl diazonium. Okay, salt. Okay, or aliphatic diazonium salt. Look here, which one? Decomposes reaction with water. Decomposes reaction with water to form. Everybody here, it gives corresponding primary alcohol. It gives corresponding primary alcohol. You know what is this? This is the primary alcohol plus with evaluation of N2 gas. Okay, plus with evaluation of N2 gas and plus HCl. Look here, aliphatic primary amine here. When aliphatic primary amine is reacted with nitrous acid in ice cold condition, why? Below the 5 degrees Celsius reaction, okay, undergoes below the 5 degrees Celsius, means ice cold condition. Okay, the first it gives aliphatic diazonium salt or alkyl diazonium salt, which is decomposition, reaction with water to form the corresponding primary alcohol. To form a corresponding primary alcohol. Okay? Yes. Primary amine, aliphatic primary amine convert into a aliphatic primary alcohol. Aliphatic primary alcohol. Correct? Yes. Look here, everybody. Next questions. Next here. Look here, what is the action of nitrous acid? Next is what is the action of nitrous acid on the ethyl amine? Look here, everybody, what is the action of nitrous acid on methyl amine? No, form the corresponding primary alcohol. No methyl alcohol. Okay. Look here, a nitrous acid, nitrous acid react with methylamine, okay, to form, everybody, to form everybody here, a next compound, dimethyl ether, okay, yes, but not, everybody, but not a methyl alcohol, not a methyl alcohol, okay, this except methylamine. Look here, CH3, next CH2, name of the compound, ethylamine. Name of the compound, ethylamine. Look here, ethylamine. Phenethylamine is reacted with nitrous acid at the temperature 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin under ice cold condition. Okay, what is this? CH3, CH2. Name of the compound, ethyl diazonium chloride. Okay, ethyl diazonium chloride, which which decomposes with reaction with water to form CH3, CH2, OH. Name of the compound, ethyl alcohol plus, okay, with evaluation of N2 gas plus HCl. Look here, simple questions here. How will you convert ethylamine? How will you convert ethylamine into ethyl alcohol? Look here, phenethylamine is reacted with nitrous acid under ice cold condition. First it gives ethyl diazonium chloride, which decomposition with water to form ethyl alcohol. Okay, this is the simple reaction. Everybody, look here, next only practice, everybody. A next reaction is a N-propylamine. Next reaction is a N-propylamine. N-propylamine, correct? Yes. Look here, N-propylamine here. Okay, CH3, CH2, next NH2. Name of the compound, N-propylamine. Look here, everybody, when N-propylamine is reacted with nitrous acid under ice cold condition, first it gives CH3, CH2, name of the compound, N-propyl diazonium chloride, okay, which on decomposition with reaction with water to form CH3, CH2, next OH, name of the compound, N-propyl alcohol. Repeat the reaction here. Look here, how will you convert here? How will you convert N-propylamine into N-propyl alcohol? N-propylamine is reacted with nitrous acid, okay, in ice cold condition. First it gives N-propyl diazonium chloride, which on decomposition, reaction with water to form N-propyl alcohol. Correct? Yes. Look here, a general reaction, everybody, a N-propylamine, a alkyl amine, okay, aliphatic alkyl amine, your aliphatic primary amine convert into aliphatic primary alcohol reaction with nitrous acid. Okay. Look here, next is a second type of reaction here. A next type reaction here, aromatic primary amine. You know, second aromatic primary amine. Aromatic. Here, a aromatic primary amine. Look here, example, aromatic primary amine. Everybody, what is the action of the nitrous acid on aniline? Correct? Here, like this. Aniline, NH2. Name of the compound, aniline, NH2, like this. Okay, aniline. Look here, next the aniline is reacted with nitrous acid. HNO2. You know here NaNO2 a plus dilute HCl. Okay, ice cold condition means 273 Kelvin to a 278 Kelvin. Look here, it gives name of the compound here like this. N2 plus, next is the ACl minus ions. What is the name of this compound? Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Look here, a benzene diazonium chloride. What is this diazonium salt? Diazonium salt. Diazonium salt. Diazonium salt. Correct? Yes. Look here, simple. Phenaniline. Everybody, phenaniline is reacted with nitrous acid. Ice cold condition. It gives benzene diazonium chloride or diazonium salt. This reaction is called as a diazotization reaction. This reaction is called as diazotization reaction. Correct? Yes. Look here. Everybody, the next point here. A resonance stabilization structure of a aryl diazonium salt. Resonance, everybody, resonance stabilization structure of a aryl diazonium salt. Aryl diazonium salt. You know the first part complete, a primary, everybody, primary aliphatic amines or aliphatic primary amines. A second part complete, aromatic primary amines. Okay, new syllabus, in case of secondary amine and tertiary amines, no introduce the reaction in the syllabus here. Okay, only reaction introduced here. Okay, in this chapter, a aromatic, aliphatic primary amine and second aromatic primary amine. And next point, okay, depend on this a diazonium salt. This is the resonance structure. Resonance structure. Okay. Look here, 1 minute. Everybody, a resonance structure, there are the 5 structure, 5 resonance structure. You know here a diazonium salt here, diazonium salt, like this. Okay, you know here N, triple bond N, correct? Okay, like this, double bond, correct? Yes. Okay, anyway here in books, everybody here double bond as the same condition. Okay, double bond. Okay, double bond. You know charge here, correct? A plus charge. Everybody plus charge, plus. Correct? Yes, charge. Look here, 1 minute. Transfer the pi bond here. Next, everybody like this. Double bond or migrate. You know, next structure like this, next structure. Okay, double bond, nitrogen, double bond, nitrogen. Everybody, this is a plus charge. You know, a minus charge, lone pair. Okay, this is the plus. Okay, double bond. Like this, double bond. Okay. Okay, next everybody, next structure, a third structure like this. You know, correct? Like this. Double bond migrate. Transfer. 1 minute. Okay. Double bond. Correct? Double bond, nitrogen, double bond, nitrogen. You know, look here, this is the plus charge. Next, a plus charge minus lone pair here. Correct? A next structure, everybody, the next structure like this. Okay. Everybody, a negative charge are migrate here, and next to the, you know, a double bond. Yes, 1 minute. Like this. Correct. One more structure. Okay. Double bond, nitrogen, double bond, nitrogen. You know, say like this. A plus charge, lone pair, negative charge. Okay. Like this, negative, this plus charge. Like this. Okay. Next structure, last structure. Okay. Like this. Original structure. This is all the original structure of a diazonium salt. Clear? Yes. Double bond, double bond, double bond. Next, nitrogen. Okay, plus triple bond, nitrogen, lone pair. Correct? This is the, everybody, this is the resonance stabilization of diazonium salt. This is the resonance stabilization of, okay, everybody here, diazonium salt. You know here, only double bond are migrate, convert into double bond here. Yes. And the triple bond here, okay, one bond are migrate, nitrogen, convert into negative charge, like this here. Next, look here, double bond, migrate here, pi bond migrate here. Correct? Okay, either here, everybody plus charge. Correct. Next, they are also migrate, withdraw. Okay, like this. Next structure, everybody, a minus charge are convert into double bond, and double bond, everybody double bond here are migrate in next position here. This is the original structure of a diazonium salt. Look here, a diazonium salt allow you 1 minute. In this structure, a dispersal of the positive charge. Dispersed a positive charge over the benzene ring, okay, over the benzene ring. Actually, a aromatic, you know, here a arene diazonium salt are more stable. Arene diazonium salt are more stable than simple than alkyl diazonium salt. Why? In case of a alkyl diazonium salt are unstable due to their tendency to eliminate, stable molecules of nitrogen to form carbocation. But in case of a diazonium aromatic, your arene diazonium salt are unstable due to tendency to eliminate nitrogen from a diazonium, everybody, from the molecules are stable, mean nitrogen to form, everybody. One is the carbocation, and another to form a alkyl carbocation. Alkyl carbocation are less stable than aryl diazonium salt. Alkyl diazonium salt. Aryl diazonium salt are more stable because it disperse a positive charge whole benzene ring. Therefore, everybody, a arene diazonium salt are more stable than alkyl diazonium salt. Correct? Yes. Complete the reaction with a nitrous acid. Correct? Okay. Thank you.